I love water damage restoration work. What I don't like is wasting ridiculous amounts of money getting it. Like having to discount program work, or expensive online marketing. Or even worse, buying crappy leads that just never close.
What? Get back up!
That's why I'm a member of More Floods. Here's how it works. You become a member of More Floods. You come here for training and learn the More Floods way of becoming your own source of water damage work. And new ways of operating that take your company to the next level of performance and profits. Then, you come back to your place and get to work with your team, implementing these new marketing and operational systems exclusively in your market. Plus, you keep your name and your profits because More Floods is not a franchise. Unlimited, no judgment, just hardworking people that want you to succeed. Truth is, I'm not just a More Floods member, I co-founded it with this guy.
Hi, Greg. Hello, everybody in TV land.
And this company, PowerDry, I own it too. And guess what? It runs on More Flood systems. So, how do we wrap this up? I'm Greg Petropoulos, and
Well, how about if you want more floods, more profit, more consistency, I don't know, better team, call More Floods.
All right, that's a wrap.
that was a killer ending.
I like where you were going with that. What would you have said?
Well, I was going to do this emotional call to action, but my acting coach advised me against it.
You have an acting coach?